Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 4. We have started our next chapter. Okay, so I am asking you down, that is a basin where you wash hands to drown, that is sink, S-I-N-K. Okay, then a kind of flower, the past tense of rice. राइस का पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है? रोज, और वो एक फ्लावर भी है ना, रोज, गुलाब. ओके, फाइन. नेक्स्ट, समथिंग यू ड्रिंक वाटर आउट ऑफ अ हार्ड मटेरियल विच शैटर्स. फाइव. फाइव में देखो वो क्या है, बताओ कौन सा है? इट इज फेयर. then the opposite of no, it's fifth is fair, and the third one is it is glass. Okay, हार्ड मटेरियल का बनता है जो ग्लास है ना. सो देन नेक्स्ट, अनफेयर का अपोजिट फेयर, एंड हम समवन विथ लाइट कलर स्किन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फेयर. नेक्स्ट, 6, to get one vehicle on a vehicle like train, ship or aircraft, what teacher wires on the classroom? So it is the, come on, tell me what is it? Fifth one. Fifth completed is board. Sixth one. Okay, then 8, a kind of music, a hard substance, a small boulder. So can anyone tell me what is it? It is rock. Next, which words come to your mind when you read this line? See the picture beside it. इस नाम से हमें क्या पता चलता है, और हम मतलब वो पिक्चर में दिखाया वो अलग है ना, उसका नेम मतलब स्पेलिंग वही है, लेकिन ये दो मीनिंग, ये मीनिंग अलग है और पिक्चर में दिखाया हुआ मीनिंग अलग है. कैसे? चलो देखते हैं. सी, व्हाट ड्राइवर शुड नॉट ब्लो ऑफन व्हाइल ड्राइविंग. जब ड्राइवर ड्राइविंग करता है तो उसको ज्यादा देर बजाना नहीं चाहिए. क्या? हॉर्न. सी हियर, हॉर्न इज शोन, राइट. व्हेन बोथ टीम स्कोर सेम द नंबर ऑफ रन्स. जब दोनों टीम सेम नंबर रन्स बनाती है तो क्या हो जाता है? टाई, है ना. और ये देखो टाई यहाँ शो है ना, सेम मीनिंग के मतलब डिफरेंट मीनिंग का सेम स्पेलिंग से. व्हाट यू शुड स्विच व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग हॉट. जब हम गरम फील करते तो क्या स्टार्ट करते हैं? फैन. और यहाँ जो एक्टर है उसके ये सारे कौन है? फैंस है, राइट ना. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर न्यू चैप्टर. पुट सम कलर इन योर स्पीच. Use the color to paint the picture. We can use them every day when we speak. Fill in the blanks with their names of the correct color. Though he is old, he is in the pink of wealth. Then he is liked by one and all. He is our blue-eyed boy. Then Mowgli fell off the tree was the British black and blue. 15 August is a red letter day in India. Then always in trouble, he is the black sheep of the family. Whatever they have never used the microwave. It has become the dash. It's a white elephant. अब देखो यहाँ जो प्रोवर्ब्स यूज किए उसका मीनिंग याद दिया है. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. बहुत इजी है, हम ऐसे ही समझ जाएंगे. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. जो मुसीबत में हमें हेल्प करता है वही सच्चा दोस्त होता है. तो उस मीनिंग का कौन सा वर्ड है? देखो यहाँ, whoever help us in your need is a true friend. Next, every cloud has silver lining. Every difficult and sad situation has comforting and more hopeful side, even though this may not be immediately clear. हमें संकट तो आते हैं, लेकिन आते वो मतलब जब संकट चला जाता है या फिर बैड डेज चले जाते हैं तो हमें कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव या खुशी का मौका या गिफ्ट देकर ही जाते हैं. पीपल इन ग्लास हाउस शुड नेवर थ्रो स्टोन्स. तो ये पिक्चर में आपने राजकुमार का डायलॉग सुना होगा, जिनके पत्थर शीशे के होते हैं वो नहीं, सॉरी, क्या जिनके घर शीशे के होते वो अपने घर पे पत्थर नहीं मारते, ऐसे कुछ है, सॉरी आई फॉरगेट इट। तो इसका मीनिंग है व्हाट आई फॉरगेट, आई थिंक repairs and damage you save money, no. Where help you in, no. You should have health care and family before you start helping, no. Every difficult, no. You should not criticize others when you two have similar part, right. You shouldn't criticize others when you are in a similar part. Or rolling stone gathers no match. Then charity begins at home. So it is a person who never settles in one place, who often changes his or her job, will not successful. Okay. Then next, give me 1 minute, huh? It's colorful, right? Third E 4 F. You should not criticize others when you two have similar fault. It is of E. Okay. And fourth has F. Sorry, I'm sorry, this was a little bit wrong. I will give its space after this video once again. Okay, I'm sorry. A rolling stone gather no mass. So it has F, that is a person who never settle in one place, who often changes his or her job, will not be successful. Then fifth one is charity begins at home. It is you should help and care for your family before you start helping others, right. And the last one, a stitch in time saves 9. So it is repair to any damage now will save you more in trouble. Get it? Okay, so let's start our new chapter, that is the places in the news. Name this country to choose the correct answer in the box. तो यहाँ कुछ पिक्चर्स दिखाए हैं, तो हमें गिव हुए इंफॉर्मेशन से उन कंट्रीज के नाम लिखने हैं. The country shares the water of the river Testa with the India, that is Bangladesh. Many years ago, these two Asian countries were one. Sadly, they are still not at a place which they are still not at a peace with each other. They are North and South Korea. In 2013, he was elected Pope and took the name of Francis as the head of Catholic Church. He is also the head of Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Then next, this country shares the border with Pakistan. It is very poor country in Asia and has suffered a lot due to war. So it is Afghanistan. The king of this Asian country, Jim Kesar, okay, I'm sorry, Namgyal Wangchuk, is the air is cleaner than the most of the other countries. It is Bhutan. Then next, the people of Asian national call their country Nippon. It has more than 1,500 islands. Its capital city will host 2020 Summer Olympic Games, Japan. It is a progressive faster than all the countries, but also serious environment related problems. 16 of the 20 most polluted cities in this country. I hate China. So Mahavajiralongkorn became the king of this country 2016, and its earlier name was Siam. It is Thailand. Okay. Then let's start the next chapter, that is map mix up. So see here in your word find out books, write this sentence correctly. The name of the bowl need to be interchanged. यहाँ इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, लेकिन जो बोल लेटर्स है वो एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग है, तो इसकी जगह हमें करेक्ट आंसर लिखना है. ठीक है. द लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड इज रशिया. रशिया डेजर्ट है, रॉन्ग, सहारा. द कंटेंट ऑफ डैश डैश वॉज कवर्ड इन स्नो. Everyone